Hey guys, Dan here from ITS, and today we are joined by the lovely Nathan from Wera, and today we are looking at the KK100 service kit. So what have we got here?
So this particular kit was designed for the service engineer who doesn't really know what he's going to come up against in the day-to-day. So it's a full mix. So what you're getting your chrome-plated hex keys in 1.5 going up to 8mm, including a ball end at one end. You're getting your 50mm impactor bits. You're getting a mix of 25mm BTZ bits in Torx, slotted and PH, and then you're getting a BTH bit in PZ, as well as the 813 mini screwdriver with the wrap adapter built into it.
And you've mentioned to me before about these screwdriver handles. Look at the handle. What sets this apart from competitors?
So unlike any of our competitors, all of our competitors use an ergonomic design. Wera don't do that. So we created our own handle design by using a stress ball, taking that stress ball and assessing when it's compressed where the pressure points are meeting, and then we designed the handle around that so that regardless of how you hold that handle, it wants to sit perfectly in the grooves of your hand.
And so you mentioned these gold bits at the end. What sets these apart?
Okay, so this is our BTH bit. So unlike any others, it's got a different element of flex. So there's a different blend of steels in it. So if we take a look at it, you've got the bit itself, you've got the colour coding system, so the black stands for PZ and the 2 is obviously the drive size. Now underneath that you've got a torsion zone and it's got an element of flexibility. So the idea being that when this is in our driver and then it meets the screw and it meets its peak load, what it's doing is rather than breaking the tip, it's absorbing the twist within that bi-torsion zone, so it's saving the tip and it's giving you a much longer service life.
So that's a lovely bit of kit there from Wera. Thank you very much, Nathan. You can check this out and the entire Wera range over at its.co.uk.